Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. Now, chances are you've already seen our club set and die set for this month. But if you know me at all, you know I can never stop with just one set, right? So I really needed some bushes to go around my mailbox. So look at how cute this is. I have a little tiny mailbox there. I have a little birdie with a mini envelope on there. And I have these fun little bushes. And I have lots of sayings. So sending you a special delivery, sending you wags and wiggles because of the dogs and the cats. That's what friends are for. Happy mail, forever friends, sending you some fan mail. You are so right. Get it? W-R-I-T-E. You are right for me. And no matter how far you push the envelope, it will still be stationary. Isn't that funny? I know, crazy. Okay, now, those of you that do not like to color, I totally get it. That is why I designed the solids for big mailbox, because sometimes you just don't want to color, right? I know, and our ink pads are perfect for these because they give a nice solid image. So here you go, you're getting the bushes, you're getting the mailbox, you're getting the grass, you're getting the dog, the cat, the mailbox, you're getting so much, and you got one extra little saying there, let me help. I know. Awesome, right? But wait, there's more, because you also need dies for the add-on set, right? So those cute little bushes and the cute little mailbox and some mini envelopes. I gave you a whole bunch of mini envelopes just in case you lost one or two, and I didn't want you to lose a little tiny die, so I made it larger, and you get that cute little birdie, which is so fun. Now, guess what? This was by popular request. Are you ready? This is a type alphabet set, which is so fun. And when you see my samples, you're gonna say, oh, I need that, because it's a good size, let me tell you. And we are releasing, of course, a fold it. And wait for this, wait for this, wait for this. Dun, 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 dun. It is a mail truck. But some really smart design team member turned it into a UPS truck, and I cannot wait to share it for you. Wait to share it to you. You are also getting in this set 2 little mini envelopes that you can fold together to make an envelope, which I thought would be really fun. Last but not least, you are getting a crosshatch stencil set. Now, this stencil set is a 2-pack. And you are getting it so you can do 2 different colors. You can do yellow in one, well, you can do any color if you want. Yellow, any color in the vertical and any color in the horizontal, and they line up so perfectly. They're awesome. Okay, you ready to see some amazing samples? Now, just a heads up, disclaimer, you are going to see a lot of sneak peeks in here for the future. So I always sometimes love to show you a little sneak peek just to get you more excited. But here we go. Here is a cute one. Oh, and I see one sneak peek on here. Look at those cute little bushes there with our cute little foxes. They're so cute. I absolutely love them. Puppy love, it says. I absolutely think that's adorable. Then, and only one sneak peek on this one. Then we are getting in our decal edge Slimline. Look at how cute that mailbox is. Look at the bushes in front of it and our little guys right there. Let me help. I love it. Ooh, here's our 5x7 tree fold it. Love it. You can see the little bushes down there at the bottom, our cute little birdies. Ooh, and look, that crosshatch pattern on the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? I know, you guys, it's awesome. Okay, here's a cute one. And let me just tell you, this mailbox goes perfect with our house fold it. Here's the cute little tree that comes with the house fold it. You're gonna see lots of little birdies in here. We have our little bushes over there, our mailbox. Open it up, special delivery, sending you a special delivery. Isn't that cute? I love it. Now, are you ready for the mail truck? You guys, I'm telling you, this is awesome. First of all, this one uses not only the mail truck, but our new alphabet set that we just released today. And the mail comes with the mail truck. I love the pink tires. Don't you just love the pink tires? We have a fun little road down here, which is also, ding, 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 a sneak peek. And we have cute little flowers from our Slimline Fold It. We have some fun bushes down here. These are our little envelopes that come with the mail truck. I love it. Open it up. No matter how far you push the envelope, it will always be stationary. It'll still be stationary. Isn't that cute? Look at that little mail truck. I totally feel like it's just going to drive down the street. Okay. Or look at this one. Valentine mail with a cute little heart garland behind it. So cute. Now, the Fox to Stamp dies are for the word Valentine. So just a heads up on that. The Valentine word is from the Fox dies. I hope they are still in stock because it might be retired. So if you like that font, go get it quick. Oh, here's a sweet one. And I love the tires. The little heart conversation hearts are on the tires. So cute. Look at that. Happy mail. Love it. Oh, here's another one. Great minds think alike. A little similar, but look how cute that is. Happy mail again. I love it. It's so fun when the design team comes up with almost the same design. It's like, yep, great minds think alike. Our design team is so amazing, you guys. Okay, this is my favorite. Who did this one? Who did this one? Miss Linda did this one. I'm telling you guys, this one is for Ken. Look at Kenny, isn't that adorable? You have a UPS truck. I absolutely love it. So cute, I think it's so fun. We got our little alphabet on there, UPS, and it says thank you. Imagine giving your UPS guy, or you can make it FedEx, or you can make it Amazon, a truck that looks like this and giving him a little gift card. Wouldn't that be amazing? In fact, you know what? I might have to give this one away, or I'll have to make a couple more of this. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. You are awesome. Thank you. Merry Christmas. So adorable. I love it. Now, let's look more at that alphabet. Now, the alphabet letters are a really good size, and you know what? I'm going to grab my my ruler because I really want you to know what size these are. These are approximately they're almost 3/4 in size, almost 3/4 tall, 3/4 of an inch tall. But look at, you can make it a background die. Oh, isn't that awesome? Use the negative, and then on the inside, thank you. Isn't that fun? With our cute little crayons. Okay, now here's another sneak peek. Heads up, 7-Up. Are you ready for this? This is a big sneak peek, and I will not say a word about it. Okay, lots of sneak peek here. Once upon a time. I will not say a word. I will not say a word. All I can tell you is this month. I will just say this month, but look at the alphabet on here. Once upon a time. I'm not saying a word. I'm not saying a word. I'm zip, zip. Okay, this one. Simple, 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 but so effective and so creative. Let it snow. Look at that. Let it snow. Isn't that awesome? I love it. I love it. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Absolutely love that. Here's another fun one, another type, kind of like school one. Oh, I see another sneak peek on here. I'm so proud of you, Smarty Pants. Again, the same font from the Foxes. Cute little sunglasses on there. We have our alphabet back there. You are amazing. Love it. Okay, Crosshatch samples. Here we go. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Look at all the samples I have. Can you believe it? With all my heart. Look at the Crosshatch samples. So that is in 2 different pinks. Here we have it. Oh, there's that cute little bush and that birdie in different blues. Different pinks, different blues. Here we have it in pink and green. So cute with that fun mailbox full of mail. And here we have it in orange and brown. You will use this for every season, right? You change the colors, red and green for Christmas. It's so simple. I know, isn't it awesome? And it just gives you different definition on the back of your cards, on the backs, which is, oh, here's another one, forgot another one. Green and green, go monotone. It is so awesome. Now, club members, you got to get in on this. 15 to 20% off depending on which clubs you are in, which is so awesome. And you are ordering also, when you order on our website, you earn club points that you can use for future purchases. Yes, isn't that awesome? And 15 to 20% off. And you know what? Club members get online discount. I mean, you get freebies. It's so much fun. You got to go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye.